let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a right side crash bar and the left side crash bar. The supplied hardware, we have 2 spacers, and we also have 3 M8 by 35 millimeter long Allen bolts and 1 M8 by 30 millimeter long Allen bolts plus washers. Then we have 2 M6 by 35 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts and 2 M10 by 100 millimeter long hex head bolts plus 2 washers. The tools that we're going to be using during the installation: ratchet extension, 19 millimeter wrench / spanner, 19 millimeter hex socket, T55 Torx, T27 Torx, 6 and 4 millimeter Allen sockets. All right, so we're gonna begin by removing this bolt right here and this bolt right here. Only one per side. Do not go on the other side and remove them before you install the crash bar, the left side. T55 Torx. All right, so now we are ready to put on the left side crash bar, and we have the M10 by 100 millimeter bolt already put through with the washer and the spacer on the back side. So this is the short spacer, okay? The long spacer will go on the right hand side, short spacer will go on the left hand side. Turn the bolt just a couple of times, like so, and then the M6. All right, so now the leftover remaining 2 M8 bolts, top and bottom. Now the bottom, it's important to mention that this is, in case you're installing our skip plate too, don't turn this, don't pull this bolt snug. This will come back out and it's going to get replaced by a longer bolt that comes with the skid plate. So all the bolts are in. You can go ahead and pull the bolts nice and snug gradually. Do not tighten one bolt all the way and the next one. Turn one bolt a few times, next one a few times, and then repeat the round. All right, we're going to repeat the same steps on the right hand side. The OEM bolt's out of here, the OEM bolt is out of here, and now the right side crash bar is prepped. Again, this is the longer spacer. Turn this bolt a few times. Also, a side note, we might swap this bolt out for an Allen bolt because the 19 millimeter hex head is a little bit too big, so it's pretty close to the tubing. So we might swap this out in the future. Okay, 6 by 35 millimeter bolt up top. Okay, 8 by 35. And then the 8 by 30 down here. And again, if you're installing a skip plate, leave this bolt loose because it's going to come out and it's going to get swapped out with a longer bolt from the skid plate package. So once all the bolts are in, you can begin to tighten them, again gradually, pull them nice and snug.